G'day guys, Jim coming at you here from Phuket, and we arrived here last night in Phuket. Did a evening flight, and we're going to use the Grab or Bolt, but we managed to get the bus for 100 baht to near Patong Beach. That's where we're staying at Patong Beach. Bubba's up here. What's Bubba getting? What are you getting, Bubba? Huh? Water? Okay. But that fruit looks nice, Bubba.
Yeah, 100.
But we're a bit full now.
Yeah, that's even nicer than 100.
We should have that for breakfast, Bubba.
Yeah. You should have this.
160 baht for that one, 100 baht for that one.
This is 100 baht.
This is why we like Thailand.
$5.
They do lovely fruit.
$5.
$5?
Less than.
It's warming up anyway, so we're just along here on the main beach here, and we just got here last night, so we got up a little bit late. But we're just admiring all the lovely fruit here. So, all right, Bubba, let's go up this way. No, we're right. Yeah. I haven't been to. Last time I went to Phuket, it was on the cruise ship with the Norwegian Jade, actually. But we're only here for a day, which is not that long. But I mean, cruises are good because you just get a little insight if you want to go back here again to Phuket. But I did come here once too with Chum. I think it was around 2007. We did the Superstar Virgo, and then we ended up from Singapore up to here. So it's good to be back, and this is the first time I've actually been flown into Phuket. It's actually a fair distance. The airport is a fair distance from Phuket. It's over 45 minutes, but it was pretty good, like 100 baht. 100 baht each. I think that's the best way. Everyone's going, Bubba's going, let's get the Grab or Bolt, and I said, no, Bubba. We ended up getting the bus, so fortunately, yeah. Anyway, we woke up. I had a bit of mishaps. I banged my leg on the bed, so I didn't get off to a good start. But Bubba wants to go to Phi Phi Island, and she wants to do all the tours. So we're just looking here at the tours at the moment. So we're going to work out the tours. Mall and sunscreen, Bubba. Okay, we'll find yourselves for the malls.
So then tomorrow we go Phi Phi Island.
Yes!
Yay!
I think the other one that you like there. I think we'll do that one. That last one, she said, you don't like snorkeling much. Let's keep it. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, Bubba, there's the beach. We'll get it over there, Bubba. It's on beach sign over there.
1,600 only speedboat.
Yeah, good price.
There's a speedboat which is 1,600.
The speedboat won't be any good because you're sitting down on the speedboat.
Yeah.
There's Bubba, Patong Beach. The background, Bubba, Patong Beach. The sign. Alright, so Bubba's there trying to get a good deal for tomorrow. Alright, obviously they're going to gate this off here, so this is the walking street here. Patong Beach, Phuket. Patong Beach, Phuket, Thailand. Alright, I'm glad I got a hat on because it's really sunny. Alright, Bubba, what are you doing? What's the deal?
We just get that 2,300.
It's the best deal, is it?
The price is good if it includes hotel pick up and drop off.
Yeah. So we're thinking about doing this tour here. We've got a good deal. We've gone a few. Anyway, we've got to find them all. Look at these seashells there. These seashells. This is quite nice. It's quite decorative. That's really cool. I like that. Thank you. Ta, cheers.
Mm-hmm.